Welcome to Cyprus Facial Surgery. Hello guys, it's Dr. Neo here from Cyprus Facial Surgery. We have this beautiful patient here today for a new style facelift. What we try to correct here is we try to correct this area here of the jowling, this area here of the neck, this area here of the droopy mid face. So what I'm going to do here today, I'm going to lift up the face and I'm going to give back the conjuring, and of course I'm going to correct a little bit the corner of the brow here. So this procedure will be done here in the office with local anesthesia, and the patient will return back to her normal activities in 10 days. And you're going to see that this is a deep plane facelift, and you're going to see this patient how it will look after a week. If you turn your face like this 45 degrees, you can see and pull down. You can see all this excess skin here and all this ptosis of the muscle, the poor definition of the jaw lines here, and of course all the mid-face ptosis as it moves down. All these will be corrected today with this new style facelift. This is Dr. Neo here from Cyprus Facial Surgery. Thank you very much. Stay with me, I'll show the final results. Hello guys, Dr. Neo here from Cyprus Facial Surgery. We have our patient here today. It's just after facelift. How long is after facelift?
6 weeks.
6 weeks after facelift with a deep plane facelift. You can see here the beautiful natural results, no scarring, a very beautiful results. There's no evidence of facelift, but a very good looking young patient. Now as you can see here, that's what you see here in the new style facelift. You can see the correction of the jowling. You can actually see the correction of the neck, the chin throat angle. Everything is being back to normal. How do you feel, my love?
I feel amazing. I love the result. I feel very young, and I am really very grateful.
So it's what you expected to have, right?
No. I thought that will be a good result, but I could not expect. It's amazing.
More than what you expected. That's what we're here to see. And a very happy patient. And how was your recovery? Was painful?
No. It was also unexpected. No pain. It was just a little bit uncomfortable a few days, and that's it.
Beautiful. And we have this young patient now with no signs of aging. That was a new style facelift. This is a deep plane facelift. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Neo.
Thank you very much. Thank you, doctor.
Hello guys, Dr. Neo here from Cyprus Facial Surgery. I have a patient here about a couple of months after facelift, and you can see here the beautiful results of the chin throat angle, no jowling, very nice definition, very clean face. No scars actually on the area of the surgery. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to just increase the texture of the skin and the volume of the skin by injecting a little bit of volume inside the area of the cheek. I'm going to correct the temples, and at the same time I'm going to elevate up the brow slightly bit with the fat grafting. In the future we may discuss a little bit about upper blepharoplasty I will do, and I put in a little bit on the chin area. So today we actually finalize our results of facelift with the utilization of fat grafting 4 months after the facelift, right? 2 months. 2 months after the facelift. Okay, thank you very much. Hello guys, again, I'm back here from Cyprus Facial Surgery. You can see we finish up this beautiful fat grafting 2 months after a facelift approach, and you can see how this patient looks now. Very beautiful results, very beautiful outcome. You can see that the chin throat angle, you can see the augmentation and the elevation, the brow elevation, of course, the chin, the cheeks. That's a fat grafting and facelift 2 months after, and you can see there is zero scarring from a facelift, no pixel here. Very nice definition, very nice actually conjuring of the face with a fat grafting, volumization and elevation that completes a picture of a beautiful patient. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Neo here from Cyprus Facial Surgery. Thanks everybody for watching, much appreciated. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. For more information, check out these links. And if you're new to our channel, please do not forget to subscribe and to turn on your notification with the bell icon down below to get all of our new updates in your feed.